Welcome. If you're looking to delete your Google AdSense account, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, log in to your Google AdSense account using your credentials. It's crucial to have access for this process. Once logged in, navigate to Account Settings. Here, you'll find the option to delete your account. Review the implications of closing your account. You will lose access to all your earnings and data. To proceed, click on Close Account. Follow prompts to confirm your decision. Be careful, this step is final. Congratulations! Your Google AdSense account is now closed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Remember, if you plan to return, you'll need to create a new account. Consider the long-term impacts before closing. For more tips on managing your online accounts, subscribe to our channel. We're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to leave your comments below. We love hearing from you and answering your questions. Until next time, remember to manage your online presence wisely. Goodbye. Stay tuned for our next video on maximizing your online income effectively. See you soon.